guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to create a paper frog with tongue using the help of a plastic straw. So this is going to be very fun and I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, we're gonna have so much fun, guys. Come on, let's make this. Yay! So guys, now that I've built the paper frog with the help of my dad, I'm going to show you if it works. So yeah. Wow, it works. It's gonna lick you. It's going to catch you. If you are an insect right now, used this on it. So I've not only built a green frog, but also I've built a brown frog, a brown pink type frog. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for other videos such as science experiments, then paper toy animals, yes, paper toy animals, then normal paper toys, origami. So yeah, see you in a later video. Bye.